Hey friends, today we will learn in this video 10 vegetables name. आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे 10 सब्जियों के नाम. So let's start. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. First is onion. O N I O N. Onion. Onion means प्याज. Next is brinjal. B R I N J A L. Brinjal. Brinjal means बैंगन. Next is tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Tomato means टमाटर. Next is potato. P O T A T O. Potato. Potato means आलू. Next is radish. R A D I S H. Radish. Radish means मूली. Onion. Onion means प्याज. Brinjal. Brinjal means बैंगन. Tomato. Tomato means टमाटर. Potato. Potato means आलू. Radish. Radish means मूली. Next is carrot. C A R O T. Carrot. Carrot means गाजर. Next is turnip. T U R N I P. Turnip. Turnip means शलगम. Next is chilli. C H I L I. Chilli. Chilli means मिर्च. Next is lemon. L E M O N. Lemon. Lemon means नींबू. Last is peas. P E A S. Peas. Peas means मटर. Carrot. Carrot means गाजर. Turnip. Turnip means शलगम. Chilli. Chilli means मिर्च. Lemon. Lemon means नींबू. Peas. Peas means मटर. Thanks for watching.